What is going on, guys? Fraser here. So Mack Mills has just dropped his new system, the multiple income funnel. I've just jumped on board, been in about 20 minutes now. I think the system's only been live for about 30 minutes at the time of shooting this video. And I just thought, yeah, there's going to be a lot of people that are probably going to be interested in this, so I thought I'll do this quick little video. I'm going to jump inside the back office and show you everything that's available. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's have a look at Mack's system, shall we? So here we are on the login page of the multiple income funnel. So let's come here, log in. Now I'm not going to be one of those guys that like drags on for 15-20 minutes explaining a simple system. We're just going to breeze through this because it is very simple. Mack's really good at creating amazing funnels that convert, and they're very easy to, you know, go through, set up, get promoted and start making some money. So once you log in, you're going to land on step 1, which is a little welcome video from Mack and also an invitation to join the Facebook group. Once you've done that, you'll move on to step 2, which is where Mack talks about all of the income streams. So your first income stream is going to be from the actual multiple income funnel itself, which is $47 a month, and that will pay you $20 a month residual commissions every single month as long as the people that you're bringing in are remaining active. Moving on from that, we have income stream 2, which is easy one up. Again, Mack just has a short little video here explaining everything about the system. What you would do is you put your username in here, you'd click save, and then this appears here. So click here for stream free. So you move on to this one, which you can see here is TextBot. Again, Mack does all the explaining in his videos. Again, you put your username in here, click here for income stream number 4, which is Traffic Authority. And that's basically your system set up, ready to go. It's as simple and as easy as that. Then all you need to start doing is promoting the pages, the capture pages, the sales pages, everything that Mack gives you to promote this funnel, which is amazing. You know, he takes the majority of the work off of your hands. He's done all the graft, all the hard work. You just need to promote it. So from that one, then you would move on to step 3, which is where you would set up your e-wallet. Now you only need an e-wallet for the multiple income funnel because Easy One Up, TextBot and Traffic Authority, they process payments like directly to you. You don't need to go through like, you know, Mack's system itself. So yeah, this would be for collecting your $20 a month residual commissions from the multiple income funnel. Once you've done that, you'll move on to step 4, which is the back office tour, which is basically what I'm doing in this video. Alright, so yeah, all Mack does in his videos go through all the tabs up the top here, just showing you guys everything, what you get access to, how you can track things, all that kind of good stuff. So if we go on to links, this is where you can see all the pages that you have access to. As you can see, I've already just started promoting it. 54 hits, 18 leads. You know, that's not too shabby. So yeah, all different capture pages here. If you wanted to create your own capture page, collect your own leads, then you've got the video sales letter here. So you create your own capture page, and then that would lead to this. Personally, I am just using Mack's done for you system, like his capture pages, because at the end of the day, what Mack creates, it always works. Alright, so just plug into what works and just use that. That's, you know, that's the way I like to do things. And yeah, if you want to have the VSL with a no timer, then yeah, you can use this one as well. So again, very, very simple. Traffic, Mack recommends buying traffic from Traffic Authority. So once you've set up your system, if you did want to buy traffic, then you can buy traffic through Traffic Authority. Personally, I don't do that. I do all my marketing for free on Facebook, so I'll be using my Facebook methods to promote this funnel. And if you decide to join the team, then I'll teach you all that kind of good stuff as well. So team, this is where all your members will show. At the moment, we don't have anybody on the team because we have just started promoting this about 20-30 minutes ago. But if we come over to leads, you can see the leads we started to generate here. So we've got 20 leads now, which isn't too shabby considering I've only just sent out one email, you know, and that was only about, well, just before I shot this video. Then you have the leaderboard section, which is, you know, people that have generated the most sales, that have captured the most leads. Then you have your resources section where Mack has done for you emails. Now my email was basically this. All I did was copy this and put my link in, as I'll show you here. As you can see, this is the email that I just sent out to my list, and the leads are coming from this. So if we click this link here, you can see that it goes to Mack's capture page. So all the guys that you've just seen in my back office under the leads section, they've all came through here. And then moving on from that, we have more emails. So every single day, I'm just going to go down this list. So tomorrow, I'll send email 2, next day, email 3, next day after that, email 4, and so on and so forth. Also have web banners that are available for you guys to use. You've got social media images, which I'll be using probably here for the next couple of days as well, because again, I'm all about Facebook marketing, and then he has done for you Facebook posts as well. And then from that, you have my business, which we'll not go into because as soon as I click that, you see all my details, but this is where you can see your commissions, your payments, all like your personal details, all that kind of good stuff is in there as well. And then you have the bonus income streams. As Mack finds new high converting offers and things that will put more cash in your pocket, then he'll be adding these in here. So the number one thing that he has at the moment is OPM Wealth, which is our crypto based opportunity, which is absolutely amazing. You know, I mean, you're talking some scary money here when you have this system, and having, you know, Mack promote this for you on your behalf just by driving traffic to his funnel. Yeah, that could get pretty interesting. So with that being said, that is basically it. It's not a very complicated or difficult to understand funnel. You come in, you follow the steps, you get your link. You can either buy traffic, you send traffic to your link, boom, job done. Or you can use, you know, free social media methods, which again, if you decide to join my team, I will teach you all that kind of good stuff, because that's all I'm going to be leveraging really for promoting multiple income funnels. So with that being said, I'm out here. If you do want to join, check out the link in the description, and I will see you guys on the inside. Peace.